So the leaves are getting more yellow. We're almost out of season. It's a little chilly today. It's probably about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 9, 10, 11 degrees Celsius. So it's probably one of our last trips up here. The tree is still here, the one that fell down. And we're just continuing to clearing the fine. The plan is to try to level the saw, see if it helps. We try to cut again. If it doesn't work, we're just gonna bag it and resume next season. So we'll see what we can do today.
All right, it's been another week. How's the temperature doing?
Let's find out. Let's see if I can get it quicker this time around. It's already connected. Now how do I get history again? And it's loading. Is the fan's not running? But I guess it's not sunny at all today.
Yeah, it's not sunny at all today. Very cloudy.
It's loading. Yeah, it has really not been great. The highest it has reached is 83 degrees.
Okay.
It's really been very chilly. Probably very not sunny. Yeah, it hasn't been great. The humidity has been high as well, so we definitely need to vent it.
Okay.
Yeah, the humidity stayed very, very, very high. Never really dropping too much.
Yeah, you can see the humidity's high by just looking at it. So the outside is basically dry to the touch, and you can just see the water coming off. So
Yeah, so I think we're gonna have to figure something out. More improvements. Before adjusting the kiln, we were first adjusting our mill. We've tried everything, so we decided to re-level everything. So what you see is a laser level on the blade, and we're going bunk to bunk. It's hard to see in this video, but we're basically looking for a line from the laser level, and we're making sure it's the same height on every bunk, and also right to left. We were thinking if there's a tremendous drop, maybe that's why the blade snaps. It just can't stay in plane, and it's too much pressure when there's a very big chunk of wood. The sawmill has been re-leveled. Was not that much of an alignment, out of alignment. No mystery still remains whether it will continue to pop or not. We fixed the tracking, cleared everything, re-leveled everything. We'll see what happens. So just let the blade run without the wood. Just free. See what happened. How's the tracking?
absolutely perfect. It has not moved a micrometer.
The gods of milling seem to be on our side today. Milled a few logs, got some planks. We'll do one more because after that our kiln will be full. Probably we'll move on to hemlocks, get some supporting structure, maybe a lintel or something, and we'll call it a day. Some of our viewers have asked if we painted the kiln black. We did. We did paint the inside black to retain the heat. Okay, that's more than enough. That's gonna fill up the kiln. Alright, stickers. I'm gonna go make stickers.
Is this? Are we saying this is going to fill up the kiln for the winter?
Well, yeah. Well, we'll have to come back at some point in the middle of the winter, but yeah. The mill did cooperate, so I was able to mill a few logs. I didn't film milling the logs, but here we are, loading the kiln, stacking it all, and letting it dry. The planks vary in width a little bit. Some of the nicer logs yielded something like 10 inches wide, but in general I'm aiming for 8.5 or so, for final planks to be around 8, maybe 7.5, so we have wide plank floors in our future house.
So how much do we have in here?
Board feet? I'm not gonna do board feet.
Okay, no, it's just square feet.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 17, 35 boards. Each is 10 feet. On average, they're 8 inches wide. This would have been so much easier in metric. 8 square feet. No. It was half a foot. 5.
I think it's like 5 square foot.
7, 6 or 7 or something.
Call it 6 square feet per
6
board.
square feet per board times 35, 180 and 30, 210.
210?
Yeah, so one small room.
All right.
Encouraged by our progress, we continued the logging operation. Remember, we have to clear this pine anyway. This is where the septic will go. So instead of burning the pine, destroying the pine, because no one would take it, we called around. We're milling this pine. We're hoping it will turn into floor planks. If it's not, it's going to turn into something. Whatever it's going to be better than just destroying this pine. And here I am milling a hemlock. Finally, for an exciting project, nothing to do with a kiln, nothing to do with future floors. Stay tuned, it's going to be a fun project. In the middle. And because we're wrapping up the season, we cleared a lot of the sawdust that accumulated near the mill. We cleared all the bunks and all the supporting structure, and we got sawdust out of the way.